Welcome to Top Gaming Setup. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the new EPOMAKER Tide 65 keyboard. First off, let's dive into this sleek packaging. The EPOMAKER Tide 65 is a mechanical keyboard known for its durable 6063 aluminum build and stylish mirror, PVD back piece. It supports QMK and VIA for extensive customization and features a hot-swappable PCB with a gasket design for a soft typing experience. The keyboard includes side-engraved keycaps and south-facing LEDs for enhanced GB lighting. Additionally, it offers triple-mode connectivity, USB, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery for extended usage. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you need more information, feel free to reach out. See you next time.